Salam እንዴት ናችሁ? Welcome to my channel. Today you're going to learn how to say አለብኝ and አለብን, two very common phrases in the Amharic language. If you want to learn to speak Amharic, you must practice. Pause the video if you have to and say the words out loud to yourself. Let's start with simply I have plus a noun. When you want to say I have something in my possession, you say አለኝ. For example, I have a notebook. ደብተር አለኝ. I have is አለኝ. ደብተር አለኝ. However, when we use I have with an infinitive verb, we say አለብኝ. አለብኝ with the b. አለብኝ. Using አለኝ in this instance will not make sense. Here are examples of I have plus an infinitive verb. I have to go, I have to read, and so on. Let's look at a few phrases. I'm going to read the letters separately first, and then I'll read the word because I want you to notice the difference in emphasis. I have to go. መሄድ አለብኝ. መሄድ አለብኝ. መሄድ አለብኝ. Notice that there is a difference in emphasis when I read each letter separately and when I read them as a unit. Every letter does not need to be emphasized in a word. I have to read. Ma, n, b, b, a, le, b, n. ማንበብ አለብኝ. ማንበብ አለብኝ. I have to try. መሞከር አለብኝ. መሞከር አለብኝ. መሞከር አለብኝ. I have to sleep. መተኛት አለብኝ. መተኛት አለብኝ. መተኛት አለብኝ. I have to sit. መቀመጥ አለብኝ. መቀመጥ አለብኝ. መቀመጥ አለብኝ. I have to come. መምጣት አለብኝ. መምጣት አለብኝ. መምጣት አለብኝ. I have to work. መስራት አለብኝ. መስራት አለብኝ. መስራት አለብኝ. The letter ñ at the end is an indication that the subject is I, first person singular. The person who's talking is me. The last letter changes depending on which pronoun we use. In first person singular, we use አለብኝ. In first person plural, we use አለብን. አለብኝ for I, አለብን for we. አለብን. Now the same rule we saw earlier applies here as well. When you say we have with a noun, say አለን. And when you say we have with an infinitive verb, say አለብን with a b. አለብን. አለብን. The last two letters, ñ and n, are almost similar in writing. The only difference between the two is that ñ has what looks like a T on top of it. We're going to look at 6 more phrases with we have to. We have to go. መሄድ አለብን. መሄድ አለብን. We have to read. ማንበብ አለብን. ማንበብ አለብን. We have to sleep. መተኛት አለብን. መተኛት አለብን. We have to sit. መቀመጥ አለብን. መቀመጥ አለብን. We have to come. መምጣት አለብን. መምጣት አለብን። We have to work. መስራት አለብን። መስራት አለብን። Thank you so much for watching. If you like the video, please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. መልካም ቀን. Have a good day.